What's up, guys? It's Jordan Larry's fan here. I have another video for you guys today, and I'm at my stepbrother's house.
Hey, last night a massive storm hit
in Tennessee.
Well,
East Tennessee, actually. And
it destroyed our entire
this is
yard.
his backyard. This is the front yard.
No back.
And
Our
this
front yard's way up there.
yeah, it's way over there. But this is the backyard.
I agree. I'm just gonna move my camera up right now.
There's the cat. I think that's Megatron. The three cats are Megatron, Ebony, and
I'm
Storm.
recording now. But what's up, guys? Make sure you leave the subscribe and like button down below. But massive storm hit us. Over there, you heard a baby bird in here. I think the cat already got it. Yep, because the cat ran straight to the bush after it chirped. So either it has it or it's dead.
Yeah.
Right now we're taking the other bushes to make sure all the tree branches that fell.
And in a minute, we might be doing something special. I'm not sure. We might be doing something if his brother isn't here. If my other stepbrother isn't here.
Just look at all this.
This
Sap and everything.
is the tree. That
Yeah,
is
can you hold
one
it
of the
up?
big trees that fell.
Okay, just hold it up for a minute.
This is the neighbor's yard. That's where we were playing yesterday.
Sap right there. Gooey
Oh yeah, guys.
and sticky.
There's sap. Like, right over here. Right there, you see? So, yeah. It did some pretty serious damage. Plus it had like another hour on it, so at least an hour and 30 minutes, so about 2 hours, almost 3 hours of a storm. That piece right there. That's the
Right
one.
there, it split. It
That's-
went straight up, but it split it.
Yeah, that's the connection right there is the one from over there. Big tree branch. This is actually just a tree itself. It ain't no tree. Yeah, it hurts.
Glass back here, you know that. But yet you keep coming back to barefoot.
Everything in the yard, the fence did not get hit. My soccer ball's still over there and it hasn't been moved a single inch.
Maybe move like a millimeter. Probably move like
I'm expecting more out of this tree. Yeah, right.
yeah.
Hey,
Pretty solid.
this video. There's a mosquito on your
Blow the branches on it and blow them.
There's a mosquito on your forehead.
That's it.
Hey, talk about firewood.
Hey, some of it already fell in the fire pit, so.
It's in the ground that far.
No, those have been there.
Dang. Let's go.
Alex, you have a cotton.
But there was one
No, I
baby
don't.
bird, but
Oh yeah, that I know. I know.
We're having it.
That's not even a cut. Right
Did I
there.
have it checked?
I know. Yeah, I know about that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video off.
Hold on, I'm looking for birds.
Please subscribe if you like this. I was terrified during the storm. I wish I had footage of that.
Where the cats are, all right.
But before I end off the yep, there was definitely a bird here.
Where?
Egg right there, and it's cracked.
Let's see what kind.
Yeah, there's blood.
It just hatched, too. Oh, it just hatched. There's blood in it. Alright, get off me, you stupid ants.
Okay, let's go. Okay, before I end off the video, we need to pet the cat.
Hold on. I think the trees.
Woo.
Damn.
They just perched up there. Yeah. Damn, look, that branch
cat over
Their
there.
yard sale from way up there.
It would be a shame if that giant one.
Branch look a little bit bigger. I
Yeah.
swear that branch looks a little bit bigger. It's either stick.
Cut this bottom branch off. Hangs over the yard.
That would never be.
Okay, before I end off the video, I gotta pet the cat. I'm gonna make another video in a little bit. Hopefully, I should. So,
I was hoping for that.
okay, I'm gonna end off the video. I'm not gonna find the cat.
Make sure whatever his YouTube channel is,
It's totally
I
his
say I'll
fan.
put it in the description below.
And hope you guys enjoyed this.
Is there a side cutter?
Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Here, why don't you guys go in and play for a minute?
See you guys next video.